A spider. Is that all?
Ooh, scary. Well, I don't know what we're down seeing, but she was what? It's a nice catch. That wasn't even a catch. Wait, you might be quite this. Sorry, I didn't listen to it. This keep coming out of my nose. Just from my mouth. Is it slimy? I don't know. Are you eating anything? Yeah. Oh, I don't want you to throw this stuff right down with you. And then... Ladies, blow, but watching, oh, come on, you guys. Don't talk that way about Bobby, you'll scare him. Besides, you're the lady, you're blow. This way, you're blow. What's all that in here? Try not to die all over between pots. Hey, Tom, baby, it's not that hot. Hiccups? That doesn't sound so good, Tom. There's no any way to get rid of them? Sure. Tell me that. All you gotta do is get rid of them and pass scare you. Oh, really? Would you do that for me? You want me to scare you? Don't do it, Tommy. It's a game for scare you. No, I'm big, scary thing. Oh, what else can I do to eat? Oh, what if I get to be over and kiss me for a glass? Or touch, or eat, or even drink on my bottle? Well, I'm seeing that. It'll never work. Why not? Because it's too hard to scare Connie. You're the greatest baby ever in the world. Right, maybe say, oh, I can't scare Connie. No, I'm not saying that. No. Okay, then, you just go on. I don't know. Maybe they come in. We need to say that. Oh, sure. Hey, so what else are you trying to scare Connie? I'd like to say, sure, Connie. No, because you Tommy, it could be great for us. We're on any corner, or any chair. It's like any body. That's the whole point. I want to get scared. But Tommy gets scared. It's awful. It's the worst. That's the most horrible thing. Well, I just hope Angelica's good. When you do that, I'm looking for scary stuff. Scary stuff? You're gonna go looking for scary stuff? Sure. I think if Angelica scared me in a scary place, that'll be really scary. I won't get the liver scared. She's a good fellow to be 3 years old. Come on, Chucky. How are you doing? A monster. Listen here. I hear him calling. Oh, he's our leftover. That monster, Tommy. He's too scary. Chucky, tell me. No. Oh, hi guys. Did you know the way to scare me yet? I thought that was supposed to scare me. I'm supposed to scare Connie. It's great. Yeah, well, what's that brain is? I mean, I'm mad. Will the burger man say for us? No. Tommy, try to get you big bite. The burger man. I don't know, Chucky. If you get my nose, I want you to break out. Let's go. What do you think, Chucky? Is the burger man in the paper or in the capture? Tommy, I'm not sure looking for the scary place is such a good idea. That's why I do. I'm ready. And now you are here. You are fine, boy. If you listen, how are you? Okay, never mind that. Now start feeling around for it. No, yes. You wanna cut this much brain. I know. We see eyeballs. There it is. I'm Chucky the scary. It's the biggest thing I've seen. What's it? Scary. Angelica, you're supposed to scare me, not to see me. She was like, alright, I only do this, but Tommy leaves me no choice. It's time for the parachute. Parachute is gonna be a creepy, horrible thing for us, and it's not gonna stay so. You were right. I'll never get scared enough to get rid of those skittles. I'm doomed forever. Unless, Chucky, almost in the get scared, you right? If you're there, maybe you could teach me how to be scared if I don't come back with a parachute. Me? Teach you? Maybe being scared could be a good thing. It really helps, Chucky. Will you do it? Yeah. Okay, first I'll give it straight. That's great. Now, okay. See, now you okay. Sorry. Just like it will work. Okay, now put your hands over your eyes. I sure like this. Like this. No, like this. Oh, sorry, you got trying. Okay, now, I am a monster. I am going to eat you. Monster. A monster. Oh, no. Well, I tried a little more. That's it. You're doing great, Dobby.